Welcome to another episode of Leadership Talk. Today we are exploring how you can discover your leadership potential and cultivate your own executive leadership abilities. We are diving into the exciting world of executive leadership skills. This is a focus area that is crucial for anyone who aspires to reach top leadership and executive roles. While the path to becoming an effective executive leader can be challenging, I can tell you that it is an incredibly rewarding journey. One that requires a unique blend of skills, vision, and continuous growth. If you are ready to level up your leadership game, you are in the right place. This is the episode that will help you to fully discover your leadership potential. So, what exactly is leadership potential? It is the innate capacity within each of us to inspire, influence, and guide others towards a common goal. It is not just about holding a title or position. It is about making a positive impact and driving change. I like what author Brendan Burchard says, the best time to study the map is before you enter the woods. This is so true for leaders who want to add senior and executive leadership roles to their list of professional accomplishments. You do not want to be one of those individuals who are promoted to key leadership roles having only strong technical skills. This is not to say that technical skills do not matter. But research studies consistently reveal that the higher your climb on the organization hierarchy, the stronger your reliance on soft skills such as leadership to get the job done versus reliance primarily on your technical expertise. For the next several minutes, we will explore the top 10 qualities that will equip you for success in the exciting world of executive leadership. As I discuss each point, consider how you can apply the insights to your own leadership journey. But more importantly, I challenge you to rate yourself on each insight using these rating options. Rating option 1. Strong, meaning you are highly skilled in the area and you know how to coach others to excel in the area. Rating option 2. Room for improvement, meaning you recognize a specific area for improvement. Rating option 3. Unknown, meaning this skill is untested for you and you are reminded of missed opportunities because you did not know how to effectively activate this potential. Now let us get started with our review of the 10 key qualities guaranteed to positively influence your leadership success and professional career. Quality 1. Self-reflection. It all starts with self-reflection. Picture this: you are at the helm of a team, steering them towards success. But here is the catch. How can you lead the team effectively if you are not fully aware of your own capabilities and vulnerabilities? This is where self-reflection comes in. Self-reflection leads to self-awareness. It is your first step to becoming an effective leader. It is like taking a magnifying glass to your strengths, weaknesses, values, and leadership style. If you are not careful, a lack of self-awareness can sabotage your relationships and professional journey. All leaders have blind spots, which is why understanding yourself better will enable you to make informed decisions, lead authentically, and effectively serve your team and company. Your leadership role can be more difficult when you do not see yourself clearly or recognize how your interactions with others may be impacting your influence, reputation, and overall trustworthiness. Research suggests that individuals who are self-aware and understand their own emotions are better able to connect with and inspire others. Remember, when you understand your strengths, weaknesses, values, and leadership style, you are in a better position to make informed decisions, lead authentically, and empower your team. Rate yourself now. How well do you understand your strengths, weaknesses, values, and leadership style? Do you consider yourself to be strong in the area of self-reflection? If not, what steps will you take to get better? Let us discuss quality 2. Continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of executive leadership, stagnation is not an option. You have to stay ahead of the curve. To do this, you need to dive deep into your industry, soak up knowledge like a sponge, and invest in your education. Whether it is formal degrees or devouring industry trends, you have to embrace the learning journey. Other learning opportunities include working with mentors, attending workshops, reading physical books, or listening to audiobooks. The goal is to stay updated on industry trends, leadership practices, and emerging technologies. Rate yourself now. How immersed are you in your business? Are you equipped to navigate the ever-changing business landscape? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss quality 3. Communication skills. Communication, both verbal and written, is the lifeline of leadership. Imagine trying to lead a team without mastering the art of communication. It is like trying to navigate a ship without a compass. From one-on-one interactions to large group settings, effective leaders can connect with diverse audiences, and they know how to convey their ideas with clarity and finesse. But it is not just about talking. It is also about listening, really listening and adapting your communication style to connect with different individuals. When you are skilled in this area, it is easy to initiate the undivided attention of others. Rate yourself now. Are you a master communicator? Do you communicate effectively in various settings and with various audiences? Can you translate complex topics into simple concepts without losing meaning? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss quality 4. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the secret sauce of successful leadership. Imagine this, a leader who is not just in tune with their own emotions, but can also successfully navigate the turbulent waters of others' feelings. That is the power of emotional intelligence. It is about understanding yourself and others, managing emotions all around, resolving conflicts effectively, fostering strong relationships, staying calm and performing better under pressure. Rate yourself now. How is your emotional radar? Are you leading with empathy and keeping your cool under pressure? If you need improvement in the area of emotional intelligence, what is your next step? Let us discuss quality 5. Decision-making skills. Decision-making is a core requirement for executive leadership roles. But here is the thing, it is not just about making any decisions, it is about making the right ones. Executive leaders make critical, high-stakes decisions regularly, and effective leaders know how to sift through the noise, gather relevant information, analyze situations, and make informed, timely, and often tough choices. Skilled decision makers are able to grasp the specifics of a situation and step back to see the bigger picture. They know how to separate important issues from urgent ones. They recognize patterns and interrelationships, and they anticipate the implications of their choices on people, the business, or other parts of the company. Rate yourself now. Are you a decision-making maestro? Are you confident in your decision-making process? How do you approach those high-stakes decisions? Do you gather relevant information and seek out diverse perspectives to make informed decisions? Do you consider yourself to be strong in the area of decision-making? If not, what steps will you take to get better? Let us discuss quality 6. Strategic thinking. Effective leaders don't just react. They anticipate, they strategize, they think on a higher level. They see the bigger picture and know how to translate possibilities into concrete actions. To think strategically is about anticipating the future and aligning your decisions with the company's vision and staying one step ahead of the game. Strategic thinkers see beyond the day-to-day and consider the broader context of a situation. This includes factors like industry trends, competitor analysis, and potential future challenges. Strategic thinkers are skilled at gathering and analyzing information from various sources. This allows them to weigh the pros and cons of different options and make well-informed decisions. They can think outside the box and come up with new ideas to solve problems or achieve goals. In essence, the approach of effective strategic thinkers is like playing chess versus playing checkers. Rate yourself now. Are you a strategic mastermind? How do you see the bigger picture? Do you possess strong strategic thinking skills and a future-oriented perspective? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss quality 7. Visionary leadership. Successful leaders are not just focused on the present, their eyes are also set on the future. That is the power of visionary leadership. It is about crafting a compelling image of where the company is going, then rallying your team to get behind the vision and charting a clear course towards success. Visionary leaders inspire others and get them excited about the possibilities of the future. They tap into their strong communication skills to promote their visionary thinking. Visionary leaders possess the foresight and charisma to articulate a compelling idea for the future and inspire others to achieve it. They are the architects of grand ideas, but also the navigators who translate those ideas into actionable plans. Visionary leaders are master communicators who can paint a clear picture of their vision. They use powerful language, storytelling, and enthusiasm to capture the hearts and minds of their team members. Visionary leaders are not just dreamers, they are also strategic thinkers. They can break down their vision into achievable goals and develop a roadmap for getting there. This roadmap includes clear milestones, resource allocation, and contingency plans. At the core of visionary leadership is a well-defined idea. This idea is more than just a set of goals. It is a vivid description of a desired future state that excites and motivates people. It challenges the status quo and inspires people to strive for something bigger. Visionary leaders understand that their vision cannot be achieved alone. They empower and inspire their team members to take ownership and contribute their talents towards the bigger goal. They create a culture of collaboration and innovation where everyone feels valued and capable of making a difference. Rate yourself now. Do you have a clear vision of the future for your organization, your team, or yourself? How are you inspiring others to join you on the journey? Can you craft a compelling vision, inspire your team, and guide them towards its realization? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss Quality 8, Growth Mindset. This is the heartbeat for your leadership journey. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable in leadership roles. Having a growth mindset is about embracing the challenges, learning from failures, and constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Effective leaders do not just weather the storm, they thrive in it. When you have a growth mindset, it becomes easier to adapt, learn from failures, and continually improve. You see challenges as stepping stones to improvement. You understand that success comes from effort and perseverance. You value feedback and view it as a channel for improvement, and you are always looking for ways to expand your knowledge, skills, and abilities. Rate yourself now. How is your growth mindset? Are you embracing challenges or shying away from them? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss Quality 9. Build a high-performing team. Effective leaders understand that their success hinges on the strength of their team. It is about developing talent, fostering growth, and creating a culture of excellence. They invest in their team's development using a variety of methods such as coaching, feedback, exposure, and stretch assignments. They are always on the lookout for top talent to join their team, and they encourage high-performing team members to pursue larger roles. Rate yourself now. How are you identifying and building your dream team? Are you investing in their development? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? Let us discuss Quality 10. Embrace change. Change is the only constant in life, and in the world of executive leadership, that is especially true. Effective leaders don't just weather the storm of change, they embrace it. It is about staying adaptable, seizing new opportunities, and leading your team through uncertainty. Great leaders view change as a chance to innovate, improve processes, and gain a competitive edge. They focus on the potential benefits rather than dwelling on the difficulties. Leaders who embrace change are flexible and willing to experiment with new ideas, taking calculated risks to move forward. Change often requires acquiring new skills. Leaders who embrace change foster a culture of continuous learning by providing training opportunities and encouraging exploration of new ideas. People look to their leaders for guidance during change. By demonstrating a positive attitude and willingness to adapt, you set the tone for the team and inspire them to embrace the transition. Change initiatives does not always go perfectly. Leaders who embrace change actively seek feedback throughout the process and are willing to iterate and adjust the approach based on what they learn. Rate yourself now. How do you manage change? Are you ready to pivot when the winds of change blow your way? Can you easily anticipate the changes in circumstances and shift quickly to new approaches, putting minimum pressure on the team? If you need improvement in this area, what is your next step? And there you have it, the 10 key qualities for your executive leadership journey. Which qualities resonated most with you? What will you focus on for your development? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, please like and share it with your colleagues. And if you have not already, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos on personal development and achieving your full leadership potential. Also, if you have any specific topics or questions you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know. We would love to hear from you. Remember, leadership is not a destination. It is a continuous journey of learning and growth. Embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and who knows? You might just find yourself at the helm of great leadership opportunities. I am Dr. Joan Lawrence-Ross, founder of Uncommon Resilience and your leadership success coach. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep leading with passion and purpose.